Ready to go.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're revisiting a little Honda lawnmower that didn't quite come out the way I thought it might. Now, it runs pretty good for about 5 minutes, and then she starts taking on a little bit of a personality. It starts getting stumbly and stalls. And sometimes it runs, and it'll get a little stumbly, and then it finds its way back to normal for a few minutes and just continues running. Now, I originally thought it might be vapor lock, and so I tried running it with the gas cap loose. No change at all. So I cleared the fuel lines, and that didn't appear to do it either. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull this carburetor and put a brand new one on, and go ahead and put new fuel lines on and a new cutoff. And if that doesn't work, we're going to revisit this one again next week and put a new coil on it. So let's get started. Okay, we're also playing with a new camera today. We picked up a little 4K head-mounted camera that is a whole lot better to use than the GoPro. It's not as heavy on your head, and you don't have to put a big strap over your head. So let's go ahead and pull this carb off. First thing we'll do is loosen everything up. And then we're going to go over and drain the fuel line. There we go. The new little camera is pretty cool because this way you can see what I see all the time when I'm doing this. Now we're going to get a little bit of a drip out of this, but we've got, whoops, other way. Oh, we got the fuel shut off. So we're not going to lose much. This camera will give you an idea of what I'm looking at when I'm working on these engines. You can see my perspective. And I can also jump in front of the other camera, which I usually can't do. So let's pull the spring. Come on, spring. Okay, we'll do it the other way. Let's pull that. Now we'll pull the spring. Okay, and that's it to get this out of the way. Now the next thing we're going to do is get something to dump the old gas into. Now this part will take a minute, so I'm just going to fast forward through it. Okay, with that done, we know that the fuel lines are okay and the gas cap's okay, only because the fuel flowed pretty freely, so we're not going to bother with those. So let's get these back on in the same order they came off. We'll do you first. I'll do you second. And we do that because that's the last thing that, the last thing that came apart. Now we'll fix the fuel line. We get her back on the new carburetor. Now that gasket looks pretty good, so I'm not going to worry about it. And with this particular style of, now with this choke system that this one's got, we're going to go ahead and stack it from the air filter back. And that really depends on which choke system it's got. Okay, the gaskets all look really good, so we're going to go ahead and stack this from the air filter back by getting everything all lined up on the bolts as we go. And which way I do this really depends on the choke system for the Honda. Some choke systems, it's easier to go the other way, where you just line up everything on the engine. This one in particular, when you've got this, it's always easier to go this direction. Get everything on. I'll swing it over here. Get the PCV back in place. PCV is actually like a pollution control for lawnmowers. Line one up, line the other one up, and carefully rotate it into place. Get one started, get the other one started. Now the only way to test this is to run around and cut the yard, because it works fine for a couple of minutes and then it fails. And if this fails, we're simply going to go in and replace the coil. But we'll find out in just 2 minutes here, won't we? Now it's still dark outside, so we're going to have to wait a few more minutes before we turn the mower on. I don't want to piss the neighbors off at what time is it? 7 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday morning. So I'll see you shortly. Okay, with the new camera, I don't like the audio much because when something's noisy, the voice separation isn't very good, but it looks like the video is really good. So now we're going to take this out and we're going to run it for about 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll come back and tell you what happened, how it went. They came out pretty good. The mower was failing originally after 3 or 4, maybe 5, 8 minutes, and it would start stumbling, and then it would recover, and then it would start stumbling, then it would recover, and then it would die. And that makes you think it might be a coil, but in this case, what I think is happening is the float was sticking and not letting quite enough gas in, or the fuel flow through the little O-ring in the float was being slowed down to the point where under load it wasn't working. But I ran that thing for 15 or 20 minutes, and she worked great, and I let her idle up in the garage for a few minutes, and she still looked pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. And the new camera we got, this is a little bit bulky on your head, you know, and you look kind of RoboCop-y, but I found the aim of the camera, and this is now my new favorite toy. These guys aren't paying me to use it. They didn't give me a free camera. I've never even talked to them. The only thing they know about me is they just got 190 bucks or whatever out of my pocket. It's an ORDRO 4K. And I tried a bunch of glasses and, you know, the Ray-Bans, I tried those. And the video just wasn't quite there. And the videos were really short. They just didn't last long enough, and I wasn't happy with the results in any way. I'm pretty happy with this one. When I hit the button to record, little thing in my ear says recording. So I know that it's actually turned on. That's not the case with the glasses. You just don't know. Anyway, this isn't about them. This is about the lawnmower. It came out really nice, and you can't be too careful on these. It could have been a coil pretty easily. It could have been a gas cap, but in this case, it was just fuel flow into the carburetor. And once we put a new carburetor on that had new O-rings in it, the fuel flowed a little bit faster, and she works like a charm. So, are you new people out there? If you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free, and it's what we work for. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.